Hello, this is my link with WTI, and I am super excited to show you this next product. This is actually a smart plug from BN Link, and I have to say that I absolutely love it. So the way that this works is that you actually set it up with either the Tuya app or the Smart Life app. In my case, I actually use the Smart Life app because that's where I have all my smart devices connected to. So I wanted to group them all together. Now, in the case of the outlet, I love that I can actually set timer to turn on and off. I actually have my lamps plug into this outlet, and I absolutely love that I can actually control the light. And when do I want to turn it on and off? It comes in a set of 2 or 4 if you wish, if you need more. So that is really, really neat. And setting up the plugin with the app is so super simple. So it doesn't take that long. So again, if you are looking for a way to make your house smart and being able to connect your devices to a smart plugin, even though they're not smart, you can make them smart. I will definitely recommend this plug from BN Link, but hey, that is just my point of view.